Hi guys, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I'm in my craft room, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's in my squad box. So I just got it earlier, and I cut open the top, and I just pulled the bubble wrap out, and so it's ready to be unboxed for you guys. So let's get to it. So the first thing I got on top was this customizable planner or happy notes. I will go ahead and open that up in a bit. I got a big pink punch, which is awesome. I only had the blue one before, and so now I have the pink. Got one of these cool planner totes. Awesome, I did not have this. I got two pencil cases here. So this first one has the tabs, so you can clip it inside your planner. And this one has the elastic, so you can put it around your planner and have the pencil case on top. And I got these really cute portable pouches. They're this really cool material, and I believe the inside is like almost like insulated. It's very cool. So I'm excited to have these. I hadn't even seen them in stores before, so. Next I got this pencil case and this pen holder elastic, and also this bracelet, which all came from the Wild Be Happy box. Next I got some classic metal discs. I'm so happy I got this color. It's really beautiful. Next I got some new expander discs in the teal marble. It is so pretty. Like, that is awesome. Love the marble. And then I also got these new mini discs, which these are so cute and adorable. I love the fact that they're clear and they have silver glitter in them. They're super pretty. Love these. Then I got some fitness washi, so this will come in handy. I got this micro notes, which is so cute. I really like that design. I'm not super into rainbow and brights, but it's pretty toned down, and I don't have that many micro notes, so let's see. Next, I got some of these tiny sticker pads. So I got Wrong Fitness, got two of those, and then I got the Stronger Together, which is awesome because I don't have any of the Stronger Together stuff, so excited. Next are these journals. I love these. This is what I use for my social media planner, and I love creating the layouts in these. And this happens to be the exact set I already have, but I can still use them. It's still gonna be great. Next is some block pads. I have never had a block pad before, so I'm really excited. And I think the wellness is gonna be great. I would have chosen this one if I had a choice, so I'm glad about that. And this one is really pretty too. I am glad with the choices I got of these. I love pink, not particularly the bright pink, but I really like this soft pink here, so that's awesome. Yay, I got a modern farmhouse planner companion. I've never had a planner companion, so this is awesome. Comes with a bracelet, the folder, it comes with another pouch in there, a vision board, half sheets, some note paper, some cards embellished with foil, stickers, and then the bracelet and the folder. So yay, excited to have that. Next is Wrong Fitness planner accessories. Awesome, I don't have very much Wrong stuff at all. Some big half sheets. Some big filler paper, that's wild styled, yay. Love wild styled. And I got two of the same of these big filler papers. Should be really functional, like that. Next, I got Mamby sticks. So I've never had Mamby sticks before. I can't believe it. I've gotten so much stuff in this box that I've never had before, so excited. This first one is the Stronger Together. So pretty. I'm excited to use these, even though I have no idea what I'm going to use them for. Same goes with these guys. Well, all of these, but these are really pretty. They're like a farmhouse theme with rose gold on them. These ones are really cool, and they're a little bit smaller, so you could put these in your planner too and write something big across the page. So these are really pretty. These are very beautiful. They have gold foil stars on them, and I love that like watercolor look. These are really cool. You could also use these in your planner because they're not too big, and I really like that color. And then these are cool. So tie-dye. Yeah, I've never seen these before. Very awesome. Okay, here's some more little stuff before we get to the planners. So mini dashboards, wild style. So excited about these. Love wild style. Don't have them. Plastic envelopes. Some more plastic envelopes. These are really pretty. Love that watercolor. The only plastic envelope I have is from the Teresa Collins book, so that's cool. Or the Teresa Collins Be Happy box. Some more here. I like, you know, I'm not a huge rainbow person, but these are kind of like retro. And so if it's retro rainbow, I think I could do it because it's just not as bright. It's a little more toned down. So I do like those a lot. And of course, wild style. I've seen these so many times in the store and I'm like, I want to buy them, but I just never did. So I'm so glad to have those. And then a custom cover. This is so cool. I haven't exactly thought about doing one of these, but now that I have it, I totally gonna make something cool. Some of these sticker sheets. So this is Empowering Woman. Awesome. And seasonal, and this is the same as the student seasonal book from last student release. So that'd be good to have some more of those, especially the fall ones, which I always tend to use first. Okay, now on to some planners. So this one is so pretty. I'm so glad I got this one. I've never had a the half sheet planner, the half size, the skinny classic. And so I'm excited to have this one, wild styled. And then this is a Happy Notes with dotted line paper. And so that's like Farmhouse, I believe. So excited to have that. And then skinny minis. I've never had a skinny mini either. So these two are perfect choices. They're so cute and tiny. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I am just excited to actually use them and have them. And these discs are really cute. I like that. It's like navy clear. Yay. Okay, now some mini planners. So mini fitness with white discs. I like that. And I have the same layout, but now I'll have more neutral pages, so that'll be awesome. Next is a Happy Notes, and this one is so pretty. I like this a lot, and that paper. So glad I got this one. And then good, I got a dashboard layout. So I use a dashboard as my home planner, and I keep it on the table downstairs, and I try to think that my boyfriend uses it too and can look at it, even though he doesn't, but I am glad to have another one of these because the one I have currently ends in June, and so perfect, I have another one that starts next month. Okay, let's do these planners. So classic planner, this is the Fitness Wrong vertical. Cool. Yay, squad girls. So this one is so cute. I've never had a squad planner before, but I am excited. I really think I want to try it, even though it's not neutral at all. Ooh, okay. Dashboard, and this one's super neutral. The Farmhouse, Modern Farmhouse, so that's exciting. Let's see, ooh, this one is really pretty. It's vertical, which is like what I like. And it looks like there's like watercolor. That should be really pretty. I'm excited. That one might be what I'm gonna use next for my catch-all. And then this Squad Goals Happy Notes Guided Journal. Excited to use that. I love all Squad Girl stuff, so excited. And then I got some big planners. So this one, I don't know the name of this one, but it's vertical and it's super neutral. The only pops of color on the page are right over here. And it's really pretty cover and inside the cover. So I might use that as my memory planner. And then this one, which is a big digital detox, and I've never had a wellness, wellness planner that is officially labeled a wellness. And this one's a big, so this will be interesting to use, but I love this cover, and so I'm excited to see what the dividers are, because I love these like photo type covers and stickers and all that. Excited. Okay, and then I got this Brights book, which I've never had any of these big ones, the mega books. So even though I don't like Brights that much, I think I can find use for some of this stuff, especially like the plain boxes, and there's some neutrals. So I could use those icons. Ooh, there's some pretty ones. I like those. So, yeah. Next is the Layered Florals. This is so exciting. This is a brand new book that they just released yesterday. So I'm really excited to have this, and maybe I'll do a flip through for you. Next is Modern Farmhouse, which I really love this one so much. I already have it, but I'm so glad to have another one because these florals are so pretty, and now I feel like I'm going to use them more now that I know I have a backup. A big Farmhouse. Farmhouse is one of my favorites, and I don't have the big, so this should be interesting. And I'll have more of the stickers in big versions. Next is this fitness accessory book from the most recent goals line, and so cool fitness one. Mini fitness from Wrong, cool. I guess I'll be working on my fitness. Adulting. There's a lot of bright colors in here, but I did have a chance to look at it before, and I'm pretty sure I can use a lot of these. And I like that there's chores stickers and a lot of functional boxes and stuff. Fun alphabets, yay! I only have the original alphabets, so I'm really glad I got this one because I feel like I use them all the time, and so I'm excited to have all these new fonts. And then last but not least is Planner Babe. So I never had any of the Planner Babe stuff either, so this is awesome. It's pretty bright, but I know I'm gonna use it, so that's awesome. So that is my whole squad box. Now look at this pile of stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I will see y'all later.